Hello guys, this is Sudhir. Welcome to my new video. In this video, we will learn the exercise of Unit 2. Okay, we have already learned the Unit 2 exercise, and in the Unit 2 exercise, we have learned present simple. Okay, so a structure of the present simple tense subject plus V1 V5 plus object, and V1 is used with subject I, we, you, they. Okay, and V5 means verb plus s या es. So verb 5 is used with subject he, she, it, and singular name also. Okay, so come to the exercise. Okay, in this class we will do the exercise. So 2.1 exercise. First question 2.2, complete the sentence using one of the following. So there is the many option, you have to put in the fill in the blanks. One has been done for you. You can see Anna speaks German very well. It means she always speak. Okay, now I am talking about Anna habit. Okay, so like I speak English, I speak Hindi, I speak Bhojpuri. So whatever you speak, you have to tell in present, simple present tense. So next question, I never dash coffee. So you have to check the option. So drink is the correct option. So I drink, because with I we used drink, we used V1. So here you have to write the drink. The swimming pool, next third question, the swimming pool dash at 9 o'clock and dash at 18:30 every day. So the swimming pool open. Okay, because there is the option of open. You can see here I have to add the s in the open, because swimming pool is the singular subject. With the singular subject we have to use verb 5, and in the second fill in the blanks I have to add close. Okay, so here you can see CLOAC, close, and in the second verb you also take the verb 5. Okay, so verb 5 of the close is closed. And come to the next question, question number 4, bad driving dash many accident. So cause, here the right answer is the cause, and bad driving is a singular subject, so here you have to write causes. Okay, many accidents. And question number 5, my parents dash in a very small flats. My parents means mother and father. So right now I am talking about the plural subject, so here you have to take the verb 1. So suitable option is live. Okay, so live in a very small place. And question number 6, you can seek the Olympic games dash every 4 years. So Olympic games are, there is the s, so it means it is the plural subject. So with the plural subject I have to take the verb 1. So there is the only one option remain. You can take place. This is the one word meaning. Take place means hona. Okay, so the Olympic games take place. Okay, take place every 4 years. So come to the next 2.2, put the verb in the correct form. Okay, one has been done for you. John doesn't drink tea every often. वो अक्सर it means वो अक्सर चाय नहीं पीता है. So next question you have to select any option. What time so does the banks what time do the bank close? Because the banks is the plural subject. With the plural subject I have to take the do. The structure of the interrogative and WH word, okay, WH word plus do, does plus, okay, subject plus verb 1 plus object. Okay, so and question number 3, where does, okay, Martin, where does Martin come from? Okay, the C is Scottish. Scottish like who live in Scotland, you can say he is Scottish. Scottish means like a you can say who live in Scotland. Okay, some is the highland, that place is called Scotland. Okay, question number 4, what does you do? So here you have to write what do you do. The answer is I am an electric engineer. So question number 5, it does take, sorry, the answer is wait a second, the answer is it takes me an hour to get to work. How long does it, okay, take you? So there is the subject it, and it is the singular subject. With the singular subject we have to use the verb 5. So take me, verb 1 plus s. So takes, it takes me an hour to get to work. It means 1 घंटा लगता है मुझे काम पे जाने में. ओके, एंड हाउ लॉन्ग डज इट टेक यू, तुम्हें कितने समय लगता है. सो हेयर आई यूज द टेक ओनली verb 1 because in negative, interrogative and WH word we always use verb 1. Okay, so question number 6, I dash the piano. So I play the piano, but I don't know, I don't play very well. So and question number 7, I don't understand this question. What dash this word means? Like someone has written one question, like I have written I feel like sleeping. Okay, so there is one difficult meaning. So someone don't know what is the meaning of feel like. So he told, I don't understand this sentence. What does this word mean? Okay, what it means. So feel like means मन करना. So I feel like sleeping, मुझे सोने का मन कर रहा है. So come to the next 2.3. Use one of the flowing verb to complete the sentence. Something you need to negative. Okay, so believe. So first question, first and second question has been done for you. The earth goes around the sun because it is a universal truth, and rice doesn't grow in Britain. So it is the habit of the Britain. Okay, culture, environment. So it also represent the habit and universal result, universal truth. The sun dash in the east. The sun is a singular subject. With the singular subject I have to use the verb 5. So sun rise. Okay, URIACS, rises in the east. Okay, and question number 4, B. Bees. The subject is plural, so with the subject, with the plural subject I have to use the verb 1, so option is make. Okay, so makes honey. Vegetarian. Okay, vegetarian dash meat, so vegetarian doesn't, sorry, vegetarians is the plural subject, so vegetarian don't eat meat. Okay, and atheist. Atheist means who doesn't believe on god, like nastic. So atheist, okay, atheist doesn't believe, li believe, okay, believe in god. This is the option. And question number 7, an interpreter is like a translator. Okay, like it is used in a computer whenever you translate high level language to machine language. So interpreter translates, because interpreter is a singular subject. With the singular subject I have to use the verb 5 from one language to another. A liar is someone who doesn't, okay, who doesn't tell the truth. So there is the option I have selected. And question number 9, there is only one remaining option. You can see flow. It has been already selected, flow. So the river Amazon, river Amazon is the singular subject. Okay, so with the singular subject I have to use the verb 5, to flows, okay, into the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, so come to the next question, 2.4. Ask Lisa questions about herself and her family. So you know that Lisa play tennis. आप जानते हो कि लीजा टेनिस पर खेलती है. तो यू वांट टू नो हाउ ऑफन, मतलब कितने बार खेलती है. सो हाउ कैन आई आस्क. सो देयर इज द वन क्वेश्चन हैज बीन डन, हाउ ऑफन डू यू प्ले टेनिस. सो one has been done for you. So in the second question, perhaps Lisa's sisters play tennis too. उसकी सिस्टर भी खेलती है. तो you want to know, आप जानना चाहते हो, तो ask Lisa, उससे पूछो. So answer is, how can I ask, does, okay, because her sister is a singular person, so does your sister play tennis. Okay, so this is the answer. And question number 3, you know that Lisa reads a newspaper every day. प्रत्येक दिन वो न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ती है, because here the hobbies of the reading newspaper, Lisa hobbies. So you want to know which one, मतलब कौन सा न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ती है. How can I ask? So here you can ask which newspaper do you read. So this is the answer. And question number 4, you know that Lisa's brother works. So you want to know what he does, वो क्या करता है, आप उससे पूछना है. So you can say what does your brother do. Simple. So question number 5, you know that Lisa go to the cinema a lot. बहुत वो सिनेमा जाती है, because Lisa is the singular subject. With the singular subject here is used, here has been used goes. Okay, verb plus verb 5. Okay, so you want to know how often, कितने बार, how often कितने बार जाती है. So how often, here is the answer, how often do you go to cinema. So this is the answer. So question number 5, you don't know where Lisa mother live. आप नहीं जानते हो कि लीजा की माँ कहाँ रहती है. So you want to ask to the Lisa, how can I ask. So you can ask it, where does your mother live? Where does your mother live? So this is the correct answer. Come to the next question 2.5. Complete the using one of the following. So it is also used to show the applies, insist, promise, recommend. Okay, so it is a nice day. Okay, so here the one question has been done for you. I suggest we go out for walk. So next question, question number 2. Who won't tell anybody what you said? It means कोई बोल रहा है कि मैं किसी से नहीं कहूँगा कि जो तुम उसे कहे. So it means he promised to that boy, that person. So here is the answer. I promise. Okay, I promise. Okay, so question number 3. In a restaurant, we must let me pay for the meal. Meal मतलब खाना, भोजन. Okay, meal means भोजन. So मुझे पे करने दो, मुझे पैसा पे करने दो ये भोजन के लिए. So someone is insist. Okay, so here the answer is I insist. I insist. I won't tell, sorry, you must let me pay for the meal. I insist. Insist means आग्रह करना. Okay, so question number 5. Dash for what I said about you, I wasn't true and shouldn't have said it. It means the correct answer is apologize. I apologize for what I said about you. मैं माफ़ी चाहता हूँ जो भी मैं तुम्हारे बारे में कहा वो सब गलत था, वो सब सही नहीं था. ओके, वो सही नहीं था. अब फिर से मुझे ऐसा नहीं करना, मुझे ऐसा नहीं कहना चाहिए था. ठीक है. सो and 5 question, there is also 5 question that is not visible. Okay, so the new restaurant, there is the option, the new restaurant in Hill. Okay, in Hill street is very good. So the right answer is I recommend. So thank you for guys, this exercise has been completed, and we will meet you next video. If this video is good for you, so like and subscribe. Meet you the next video. Okay, bye.